All right, IELTS speaking part 1. Let's take a start. Your topic is furniture. And my first question is, do you have a lot of furniture in your house?
Well, I don't have lot of furniture.
You have. Come on, yeah.
No, sir.
Really, you don't have? Okay.
Because I am not permanently staying there.
Okay.
Here in Pakistan, that's why I have not too much furniture.
Okay.
In my home, I only have.
Listen. The way you started, you took so much time. So, do you have a lot of furniture in your home? Well, no, I don't have a lot of furniture because I don't plan to stay here for a long time. That's why I have few essential things, but otherwise I don't have a good variety of furniture and all that. Right? Now please answer again. Do you have a lot of furniture in your house?
Well, I am not living here in Pakistan permanently.
I don't want to live here. No, but
No,
see,
sir. Recently, I am not living here
but the thing is, first you need to answer the question, then you need to give the reason. Not reason first and answer later. So you should, for example, I want to drink a glass of water because I am thirsty. Not that I am very thirsty and also because that's why then you say I want to drink water. So first just answer the question, then give the reason. Now finally, do you have a lot of furniture in your house?
Yes. Yes.
Relax, just relax. Yeah, say no, I don't have.
No, I don't have lot of furniture in my home because I am not permanently living in here in Pakistan. That's why I don't have lot of
that's
furniture
enough.
in.
Is there anyone who bought furniture for you?
Yes, there is my father and my brothers. When I personally visit with them and we select
now listen, now this question is in the past tense. Another important thing, you must see what is the tense of the question. Is there anyone who bought furniture? Bought is second form of buy. So is there anyone who bought furniture? You say, yes, my parents bought me everything by the time I got married. I still remember my father bought me very beautiful sofas, a nice bed along with some tables, something like that, right? Again, दोबारा बता रहा हूँ, answer create करें. Like you are a painter and you are going to draw something or you are going to paint something, just like that. Now, please answer again. Is there anyone who bought furniture for you?
Yes, my parents on my wedding bought lots of furniture for me, and I love that furniture. It's I like my bed and sofa. He bought it on.
That's good. Now, what kind of furniture would you like to buy?
And now, now these days, my choice is changed from the past. Now in the past I like the furniture like fancy, and now I like the decent furniture that comes in small places, that are just in small place.
Okay, so you like to buy that furniture.
Yeah.
All right, that's good. Please, now it's your turn. You can give her the mic also. Please clip the mic. So you can hold this mic as well. Stages of life is the topic. Do you enjoy your current stage of life?
Yeah, I'm enjoying my current stage of life. Is it necessary to
It's
hold
good.
it?
They can understand what you speak. From your answers, they will learn a lot.
Okay. Please repeat your question.
All right, why not? Do you enjoy your current stage of life?
Right now I'm enjoying my current stage of life. Currently I'm working and I have a lot of responsibilities over it. So whatever the stages, you should enjoy it. It will create happiness in your life. So
Good.
that's why I'm enjoying it.
Good. In what stage of your life were you the happiest?
I think so. That was our childhood stage when we don't have a burden of responsibilities over us, and there was our group and we were cousins.
Okay, now listen. You're answering in general.
Okay.
You need to give specific answer. In what stage of your life?
My life.
You were the happiest? I was the happiest in my childhood because there I had no responsibility. My parents took care of everything that I needed and I wanted. So therefore, that was the time when I was really quite happy. right? Or anything like that. Now don't say childhood is the time when you are happy, people enjoy their childhood. No, the question is you, right?
I have to specific on my
Exactly. So you will share your experience.
Right.
Let's go on. Which stage of your life do you think is the most important?
In my point of view, I think the younger stages of the life is the most important, because in this stage you can wander from your right path, or you can get something which you want. So I think so it's most important in everyone's life.
Okay, what's your plan for the next stage of your life?
I think so. In my point of view, we should be independent on ourselves. There should be such type of plans we should make that we can independent of ourselves.
Now again you are giving a general answer. Do you understand? Answer should not be, for example, what's your plan for the next stage of life? And you talk about general planning. My next plan is to go abroad, because for my next stage of life, I wish to spend that time in a foreign country where I could enjoy this and all that. So don't make your answer generalized one, make it personalized one.
Okay.
That is important for you, right?
Okay.
It's going to be fine, don't worry. Gradually things will be fine, okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.